Hi everyone, my name is Peter, but my friends call me Pete. I've always gardened, but I've been expanding every year since I retired. This is my first time attending a library online event. I'm glad to meet everyone who loves gardening, and I'm looking forward to learning some new tips. I recognize most of the plants the presenter displayed. I'm looking forward to exploring my hobby in a new way with people who share my interest in gardening. Ever since the pandemic started, I've missed being able to have these little conversations with people I meet throughout the day. I appreciate the chance to start scheduling book pickups at my local library. The short conversations I've had during these visits were surprise results of being an avid reader and a small reminder of my former connections to others before the pandemic started. Now I request books I've heard about on CBC or that were recommended by my friends. There was an unforeseen bonus in my online library use. The library offered free online workshops and lectures. After some perusing, I signed up for the library gardening event, which is helping me get excited for the arrival of summer. Now I'm beginning to think that Aging and Sleep, Getting the Rest You Need seminar sounds interesting.
Resources for local tech support for older adults can be found at the following locations. This video has been made possible by funding provided by the Network for Aging Research at the University of Waterloo.